Officials from the Department of Agriculture personally tasted the 20 peso per kilo NFA rice to assure the public of its quality amid criticisms. Here's the story.
Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel and other officials of the Department of Agriculture personally tasted the 20 peso per kilo NFA rice to assure the public of its quality. This comes amid criticisms that the grains the DA is about to sell are not fit for human consumption. Vice President Sara Duterte even likened its quality to pig feed. While the DA acknowledged that NFA grains are a bit more crushed than those typically sold in markets, they emphasized that the rice still cooks up white and fluffy.
This is basically the 29 and the 33. So it's the same rice. Kaya nga yung sinasabi nila na pangit ito, kaya ayoko nang banggitin yung sinabi ng ating isang political leader. That is the least of my problems.
President Bongbong Marcos has earmarked 4.5 billion pesos to fund the program. For the pilot run, the DA will release 370,000 metric tons of NFA rice, which they plan to sell until December. The agency is looking to roll out the program in the Visayas starting May 1. However, while the initiative has been exempted from the election spending ban by the COMELEC, local government units which will partly subsidize the program will also need to secure exemptions. In case this does not happen, the program's rollout will have to be postponed until after May 12 polls. Meanwhile, DA spokesperson Assistant Secretary Arnel de Mesa assured the public that local farmers would not be at a loss due to the rice program.
Actually, mahal ang bili ng NFA kumpara doon sa mga local traders natin. Last year, yung bili ng NFA on average nasa 27 dahil talaga mataas yung presyo. Ngayon naman, dahil bumababa ang presyo sa international market, though mataas pa rin yung pagbili ng NFA, ang inalaw kasi ng NFA Council for dry and clean, nasa 23 hanggang 30 peso yung range ng bilihan. So depende sa lugar, nagbabago rin yung bilihan ng NFA sa bawat nabibiling palay sa ating mga magsasaka.